Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna show you how I'm going to prepare how I'm gonna prepare my lawn for overseeding. Okay, this may be several parts, but for now I'm gonna work on my DIY lawn sprinkler system. Yeah, that's the one. So let's work on this, and then we're gonna test each zone. Okay, something's wrong with this one. It's loose, I can tell, because look, it's going sideways, looking sideways, right? It shouldn't supposed to be like that. There you go. Maybe I need to replace the Teflon. Yeah, it's good now. And then we're not gonna use the app, which I actually wrote from scratch. I use JavaScript, specifically NodeJS, to control those sprinkler valves. Those valves, they're actually Orbit, made by Orbit. Yeah, I'm referring to the company. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna use this. Yeah, if you want to see how it looks like, this is how I built it. So this is the Orbit valve. I got it from Menards, and then I forgot each fitting. All right, and this is like I built it from 2014, but one of the valves already broke because I forgot to remove it one winter. So I left it outside, and the water froze inside, which actually cracked the housing. Yeah, so yep, that's what I do around October. After winterizing it, I take it out, and this one connects to the spigot. Yeah, that one, via a hose. It was short before and it goes directly to the spigot, but now I just use a short hose. All right, so this is way better now. So I want to show you guys. So the next thing I do is I usually will tighten this. All right, because you know, hand tightening it is not enough. Yeah, so I'll just do it that way, one, and then yeah, and then we're gonna test it. And also all these wires, yep, gets connected to this wire over here. There's two wires here. Where's the other one? Oh, here, right here. Yeah, see this one. So this wire in the basement is connected to Arduino and BeagleBone. So Arduino is where, with a 24 VAC relay, it's connected to the Orbit valves, and then the BeagleBone, which is running Node.js as well as the ReactJS, actually serves the website, the web page, and the Node.js, which is the API, is the one that talks to Arduino via TCP. Yeah, so and then it's gonna control each valve. So whatever I click on the app, the mobile app, the valve will actually get triggered or get activated. Yeah, so give me one moment, I'm gonna tighten it. All right, so I'm done securing all the how do you call this stuff, yeah, the fittings. So it's all good. Next thing I need to check is to make sure this is counterclockwise lock, or else it will be open. Yeah, it's close. And then we will connect this to there. Okay, we'll use the hose. Yeah, just like this. All right, 1 second, guys. All right, guys, so the next thing I have to do, actually I need to modify this, and then I can just put another like L corner here, L bracket, I don't know how, L PVC or 90 elbow, so that way I can just, you know, look at this crease here. This is bad. Okay, I built this like last year, so I didn't think about this, but it works. So let's open it. I'll have to release this just to make sure. Let's see. There you go. Yes. All right, cool, guys. So we're gonna test this zone. So let me turn this off. I hope there's no water leak here. I don't see any leak at all, so that's good. So let's turn this on, and we're gonna open this up in full. So to activate it, you just turn it clockwise, sorry, counterclockwise. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna make it stronger now. Let's see. Zone 1 is right there. No, there you go. It works. Looks like the pressure is still fine, but I don't need that zone. I don't need that zone. The zone I need is 2 and 3 only. And the reason why I have to do that is because, yeah, zone number 2 is somewhere here. I couldn't remember, somewhere here. Yeah, we'll turn it on and we'll find where it's at. But the reason I need only 2 and only 3 is somewhere here. So I need to fix this dead spots here. So I renovated this lawn in 2020 or 2021, and I put SS1000, which I bought from Seed Superstore. So there's another one here, and then the germination was like 98%, which is nice. All right, I killed everything, and it went out well. But quite honestly, I started renovating in 2009 with Kentucky Bluegrass. Oh, that variety is really nice, but it's a lot of work, a lot of maintenance, a lot of water. With TTTF, nope, I've never watered this. This is why you'll see some kind of like dead blades, which is okay for me. I don't have to pay water anymore. I just use nature to water it. So I bought another seed the other night, this time from what's that name of the company? Forgot the name of the company. So once I remember, I'll let you know. Yeah, so it's the Super Surf 2 from, let's see, it's on my email. Oh, there you go. So I got it from United Seeds. It's their Super Turf 2. It's again tall fescue, and the reason why I bought this package or product is because it comes with 4th Millennium TTTF, turf type tall fescue, and Millennium, 4th Millennium does really well in our area, and it actually performed really well as tested by NTEP folks. NTEP, all right, National Turf Evaluation Program. So I'll have to fix this bare spots with Super Turf 2 seeds from United Seeds, and then the one I fixed last year using my remaining seeds that I bought from Seed Superstore is this one. This was actually big, so I have to fix this as well. So I need to kill this with a weed killer, like Weed Beacon. All right. So yeah. All right, guys. Let's test number 2 now. Zone number 2, and I think it's still on. Yeah. So see this crease? I don't like that. That actually affects the water flow. So all right. So let's test number 2. This is number 2. Okay. Counterclockwise. There you go. It's turning on. See, I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get wet. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna show you how I built this lawn sprinkler system. All right, there you go. That's actually high quality Ryan. What's that, Ryan bird? Couldn't remember the brand. Yeah. And then let's turn on number 3. Let's turn on number 3. Yeah, this one, right? It's on. There you go. Then I'm gonna turn off number 2. I'm gonna turn off number 2. You'll see that's gonna die. There you go. Now it's that. So again, I installed this lawn sprinkler in 2014, and the depth of the 1/2 inch PVC is 10 inches deep, and you'll wonder why it's still not broken. Well, the reason why it's breaking for other people is because they don't winterize it. Okay, and it's quite true that when you install like pipes, like outside, especially here in Illinois, in northern part of Illinois, if you install like that deep only, like 10 inches, it's 100% gonna get broken during winter, because here, especially in Huntley and anything near the border of Wisconsin, it's really cold. Sometimes we get like -30 F here, and then the recommended depth, I guess it's like 2 feet deep. They use a machine, and I didn't do that. I did everything manually. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's all I wanted to share. So this works, and then the next thing I need to do is I need to hook up all these wires, and then check the NodeJS and BeagleBone, and then and also the Arduino, to make sure I'll be able to control this, because I will be overseeding around maybe August 30. The seed will be delivered. The seeds from United Seeds will be delivered around August 28th, so I'll be ready by that time. And then in case I visit California, I need to control this remotely, so I'll have to open up the a special TCP port on my firewall, so that way I can access the website, and then I'll be able to control each zone. Alrighty guys, that's all I wanted to share today. Later.